This nigga is expensive as fuck. Almost
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Joe, and today I'm back with another video. Today I will be showcasing new Too Easy. So yeah, I'm on my computer, so it's gonna lag. But I turn my graphics down, so it's only gonna lag a little bit. But let me show y'all some. So listen, YND changed their term. I'm gonna drop that video tomorrow, showcasing YND. YND new base. See, Too Easy. It says for sale DM Lizzo, and they put his Discord link. And why you don't got their turf no more. I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna just do it in the next video. Hold up, guys. So you guys, yeah, that's the old turf, you guys. When I was finished showcase Too Easy yesterday, but it was like couldn't open the door, so I glitched in the door. Cause I'm with the YND, I glitched in the door. No guns, none of that. I text the owner. And I asked him, what's the turf and junk? I said, what's the turf and junk gone? He was like, no, it is a new turf. So he told me where the turf is. So I was like okay. Bro, I can't wait till my game come out, bro. People think it's gonna be free ring. I'm not giving out free ring. If you got $1 million, or if you got $1 million CR money, hey, you can get ring. Just give it. No, they're not getting full access. They could buy a full access shirt. Alright, you guys, let's start with the gun down here. This the new gun. This the DWPPSSH. Hard. But you guys, I'm talking about I was shredding kids with this when I was on Xbox. I need to get back on mobile, bro. I ain't played on mobile in a while. I literally fell asleep because I stayed up all night. So y'all already know these guns, so we ain't gonna showcase these guns because everybody know these guns. Hold up, some people might don't know. Some people might don't know. For the people that don't know. Yeah, this for the people that don't know. I'm gonna showcase them because I know some of y'all people don't know. And I'm gonna tell y'all all the taps. I really think that this gun, the DW, I really think that's a one tap. Cause I don't think full access people could get it. And when I killed somebody, I shot him one time, he died. Well, it take me 2 taps to kill people with that gun. Well, you ain't even played the new gun yet. It's on your account. Oh, next gun we got is this the other new gun. This was in the old house. It's fire 2 tap, 2 tap. Then we got the 1 tap. The Too Easy Blicky. Then we got the Too Easy Hitty. Then we got the drink. It's like a little bottle. I think it's Coca-Cola. That's Sprite. Okay, only gun we should showcase is this one. And I'm missing a gun. Yep, right here. Is it? No, it's down. Oh, you guys, let me get this gun. Cause some people think Too Easy gone. I literally put in the chat that Too Easy gone in the group, but I didn't know that it was another thing. So 6. You got this gun. It sounds good though. It actually sound like a Nerf gun. Or it sound like a Scar on Fortnite. Number 7. Now this gun, cool as fuck. Y'all see that? Oh, now this gun look cool. And it's real powerful. Last but not least, hold up, let's get on that vest. The vest still stuck. Y'all see it's a plain vest, right? Y'all see none on the back of it. And I put it on. Oh, new man.
Have a great time.
This is my partner.
Goodbye. Have a great time. Uh-huh. 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 Uh-huh.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, now let's take on some easy tasks. What is it like? Cause I don't really. Oh yeah. Mhm. 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 Uh-huh. 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 I hate you, Dada. Let me sidekick, right? Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Alright, you guys. That's another video. Bye.